everyone, so in today's video I'll be showing you how to create a new project and to make files into it in PyCharm. So all you have to do is just to click here onto new project, and then if you want to name it, just change this one before the slash. Let's name it my project. And then if you want just to create a welcome script, click on this one and then just click on create. We will have this one, and we have our project. Under it, we have our main, which is the welcome file. Let's try to run it. Run main, and we will have PyCharm. And then to add the new file, just right click on my project, click on new, and then you will have all this option of files you can add, which is Python file, Jupyter Notebook, JavaScript, and all that. Let's say you want only Python file. You can name it whatever you want. Say file one, click enter, and we have our file. Let's try to click type code hello, and then just try and if you want to run this code, all you have to do is just to go to this arrow, choose current file, and then run it. You will see it's hello, and then you can write your code and run it without any problem. So that's all. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tutorials.